Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Does immigration check your work history? The short answer is yes, absolutely, and it's one of the most critical parts of your application. U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS, doesn't just take your word for it, they verify the information you provide to make sure you're eligible for the visa or green card you're seeking. They do this for several key reasons: to confirm your qualifications for an employment-based visa, to ensure you won't become a public charge, and to check for any unauthorized employment, which can be a major red flag. So, how exactly do they check? First and foremost, they review the documents you submit. This is the primary method. They will scrutinize your employment verification letters, pay stubs, W-2 forms, tax returns, and your resume. Every detail needs to be consistent and truthful. If anything looks off or they need more information, they will issue a request for evidence, or RFE. This is a formal request for more documents to prove your work history is legitimate. They also cross-reference your information with other government agencies. They can check records with the Social Security Administration and the IRS to see if your reported income and employment match federal records. This is a powerful tool for them to spot discrepancies. For certain employment-based petitions, like the H-1B visa, officers from the Fraud Detection and National Security Directorate can even conduct unannounced site visits to your employer's office. They do this to confirm that the company is real, the job offer is legitimate, and that you are actually performing the duties described in the petition. While it's less common for them to call every single past employer on your list, they have the authority to do so, especially if they suspect fraud. And don't forget your digital footprint. Immigration officers can and sometimes do look at your public social media profiles, especially professional ones like LinkedIn. If your LinkedIn profile says you were a senior project manager but your application says you were a project coordinator, that's a problem. The bottom line is that honesty and consistency are crucial. Any misrepresentation, even a small one, can lead to your case being denied and could even result in you being barred from entering the U.S. in the future for fraud. Always keep detailed records of your employment, be completely truthful on all your forms, and make sure your documentation is solid. If you have any period of work that you're unsure about, especially if it might have been unauthorized, it is essential to speak with an experienced immigration attorney before you file anything. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this information was helpful. For more clear and simple explanations of the U.S. immigration